Alright, this is boy number 1 right here. Boy number 2 is back here. Boy number 1. Boy number 2. Hey, come here. Let's turn you around. Oh, go see brother. Say hi. Where you going? Where you going? Hi. Yes. Hi, Mommy. Hi, yes, I moved him on the bed to take pictures. Here's boy number 3. Oh, come here. Hey. He's hiding behind the pillows. Come here, go over here. Say hi. Boy number 1 again. Playing with my feet. Boy number 2. Boy number 3. They're all growing very well. Quite chunky little babies. Spunky. Hey, they all think it's fun to hide behind the pillows. Come here. Come here. Boy number 2 is the one you already said you wanted. Right there. Come here. He's got a cute little face. Say hi. Say hi. I gotta go find your brother. Hey. Come here, stinker. Oh. Come here. Boy number 1. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. I know. And boy number 3, who thinks this is just the coolest thing being out here. Oh, come here. Where you going? Come here. Show off your face too. Come here. Say hi. Hi. And it's time to go cuddle up with Mama.